Okay, go ahead.
Let's go, 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 go. Let's boom, 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 boom.
Whose car is that anyway? Rylie, do you know how to drive that thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, my baby's in it because, she's crying.
Oh. Do you need gas?
No.
No? Okay.
Not my dollar.
Not what?
Not for my dollar.
Not for your dollar, huh? Okay. Well, be careful.
I'm crying. Don't bump into my car.
What are you driving to anyway?
To AnP.
Huh?
To AnP.
AnP?
Yeah.
What is that?
AnP.
Oh, AnP. Okay. What are you gonna do there?
To play.
At AnP?
Yeah.
Or are you getting food at AnP?
Food at
Yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of food are you gonna buy?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Yeah. Flowers. Pineapple. Pineapple.
Oh, we have pineapple. It's right here.
Oh. Cereal.
We have cereal. It's right here.
Oh. Bathing suits.
They don't sell bathing suits at AnP.
We're going to turn around, okay?
All right.
So keep that video on, okay? Then?
All right. We have to go swimming really soon. Oh, be careful. It's a bump. A big bump. Right, you have your seatbelt on?
Yeah. Yes, here's her seatbelt.
Oh, okay.
And my baby's crying. Oh my.
Why is she crying?
Because she wants to go in my car.
Oh, well, she is in your car.
No, but she's that car.
Oh, I see.
Keep the video on until I come back here.